Hello, here's our work for today, which we were assigned to do, and you can see here right now. Here is we are trying to find the password of the zipline 5, the file 5, which currently you can see it's trying to encrypt the password so that we'll be able to know over here, down here. So let's wait for it to finish so that I can take you step by step. That is starting from what I've started till the point I've reached here. So apparently this will take like about 2 minutes. Supposed to take 2 minutes, yeah. But due to I started recording when I've already done it, let's give it time. It will encrypt over here. I know you'll not understand, but I'll make you understand it. Don't worry. Let's let it finish here over here. And as you know very well, we have the question, but I think my recording has an error, so you'll just understand. Because if I try to key in to show you here the question over here, don't pick. I don't know why. Let's give it time so that I can scroll up and show you what I've done. You can see now 1 minute it's over, but the work is not yet done. It has not yet encrypted the password, so let's give it time. It has not yet cracked the password. So the longer the password, the longer it takes for us to crack in your password. So that's why most if you go to any place or anywhere, when you try to key in password or any website, you're normally advised to mix characters, special characters, numbers, so that, and make it to be long, like maybe 10 to 10 and above letters as your password, so that it will not be easy to encrypt. You know, some other password normally take a year for it to be encrypted. Yeah. Let's give it more time. It will be over soon. So today's this YouTube recording, it's all about encryption, encrypting and decrypting data using a hacker tool. Yeah, that is all about it. So you can see here, this password is for the sample one, that is the file 1. Over here we keyed in B. This one, the second one here, is for file that is file 2. You can see here file 2 over here, for that is the second password. The third password, the third file, here is the password. We have already encrypted it. This one they normally just take a second because it's 3 letters, 1 letter, a second for it to for us to encrypt. So this one is the file 4 over here. You can see the password, it has already encrypted. The password is over here. So up here I forgot to key in the file 5, but it's easier. Just key in the below here. Yeah, you can see now it's over. The password is already encrypted over here. It has taken like about 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. So let's start here. So we were given an assignment to key in create a file using the workstation. Over here you can see. So we were given an instruction. We started with the cd, this code here, then this special character, then mdkr zip kit file. When you key in the right spelling and the right thing, it will open up this analytical scope zip files over here. Then you encrypt it as you are required to do so. Echo this sample text file, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. Then you key in the correct command. This is small letter L, then underscore 1. You see here, when you key in here, it will show you the type of files you have opened. That is sample 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Then again we key in zip file underscore 1 here. So here we want to key in the password and verify the password of our file. That is the file 1. So we keyed in here. According to the question, we're given that to key in the password as B. That is capital letter B here. So you key in here, then you verify. If you verify it wrong, it will not continue. It will show you re-enter it again. So again, file 2 here. So the password here of file 2, it was R2. You see over here, yeah, below down here where it was for file 2 it was R2 over here. So we keyed in file R2 here, then here it was the password was OB1, that is for file 3, and for file 4 it was YODA, and for file 5, as I showed you earlier on when we were starting. Yeah, I hope you got the content. So you see, we already keyed it, then we verified it, encrypted the password. So down here, so we check on the command if you keyed in the right thing. So so yeah, the command is ls small letter L underscore 1, then the F and the star sign, which it will show us the files that we encrypted, which we keyed in, and the passwords too, 1 2 3 4. I told you earlier on I forgot the file 5, but I keyed in below one, which will not cause any issue because it's the same thing. So here, or in file 1, what we did, I tried to key in a wrong password so that you can see how the code will react. So you can see here I keyed in twice. So it is it showed me incorrect, then told me to re-enter again. I keyed a wrong password, then it told me again to re-enter. So here, when you want to crack the password, so we have a formula here, f crack zip, that is minimize or underscore vul 14 file dot zip, then it will show the sample. You see sample 1 2 3 3 here. So here is where we started to cracking the password. So you can see for file 1 it was B, file 2 R2, file 3 it was B0B1, file 4 over here, that is YD, which they took a second that to cracking the password. So we can see now file 4 here and file 5 over here. So file 5, when we keyed in here, it took a lot of time because it's a long password, that is a 5-character password. So right here, what you're going to do, you're going to key in as another sample for that is file 6, so that you can see how long a password, how more long it is for a long password to be cracked in, which has so many characters. So we'll key in the code. Let me show you how we are going to key in the code. So first of all, we are going to type zip the special character, which is I normally call it as underscore, then small letter E, then space. After space, what you're going to key in next is a file, because we are going to create it now. File 5 dot zip sample here and star. Then you see it has required me, oh sorry, I keyed in for, and again I create another file. You see, so let me key in just HT, then HT, that is small letters. Okay, so when I want to crack it, this is an example I just want to show so that you may note how we may do it. So you crack, then zip VUL 1 to, let's say 1 to 4, because it's a simple password. 1 to 4, then file underscore 5 here dot zip sample, then yeah, star. You see, it has given within a second the password has already popped up, which means it was very simple. Now let me show you for that is a longer password. So we are going to create another list, which is zip here E, then file here, let's create now file 6 dot zip, that is sample. And you must know that you must key in the correct command so that for the command to work. If you key in wrong, it will show you command not available, something as such. So here I'm going to key in a long password, Baba Yaga, which will take a lot of time. Small letters, Baba Yage. you see here I keyed in a wrong password, so it has shown me zip error, invalid command to pass for password verification because I keyed a wrong one. So let me key in a right one. Let me key in that is gir. I will have to key in the command again, zip e file 6.zip sample, yeah, then click OK. So I will key in baba g, then baba g. You've seen? Okay, now let us crack it now. So fcrack, hope you remember the code, fcrack zip space vul 126 because our password was long, then file. If you key 124, it will give you an error that you've keyed that is the wrong one for the password to be encrypted. So here file 6.zip, click OK. Now you see it will start. No, it will take a lot of time, but it will be able to show us the password. But as you remember earlier, I told you the longer the password is, the longer the time it takes, so that we're able to crack it. So I will advise you viewers. So when you key in password, make sure you make it more. You mix it with characters, special characters, big alphabetic numbers, or alphanumeric, so that alphanumeric, that I mean you can just even KH for so that it will not be easy for a user to crack in your password. Okay, I understood the question. That's why I was not able to show you guys. But if you have the question, this is the way to how to use it. Meanwhile, I'll leave you for the sixth one, that is the sixth file for you to create and do the same. Meanwhile, thank you so much for your time. My name is Nelson Fabian Ocheng. Enjoy your evening.